Here is why I think minus 1 should be considered a prime number. But before we discuss that, let us understand what exactly is a prime number. Any natural number which is divisible by only 1 and the number itself is considered a prime number. So we have numbers like 2, 3, 5 and 7 which are part of prime numbers. And the list goes on till infinity. So you see, any positive number can be expressed as a product of such prime numbers. But the problem occurs when we try to express negative numbers in the form of prime numbers. We can express them in form of primes, but we will be left with a negative sign. So what to do with this negative sign? There are two ways. We can either give this negative sign to any one of the prime factors, but this will cause a confusion. Which prime factor should get the negative sign? For example, we can write minus 6 as minus 2 multiplied by 3 or minus 3 multiplied by 2. So to avoid this confusion, we can instead give the negative sign to 1. So we will get minus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1. And this minus 1 will be present in prime factorization of all the negative number. Also, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 1. So by definition, minus 1 do fulfill the requirements to become a prime number. But here is a limit. The definition clearly states that a prime number is always a natural number. So for minus 1 to be a prime number, we will need to replace the word natural number with integers. And then we could have minus 1 as a prime number. But still, I have not supported my statement with much research work and it is just my opinion. Also, there won't be much change if we had minus 1 as a prime number, except the fact that minus 1 would be the smallest prime number rather than 2. So what do you think? Should minus 1 be considered a prime number or not? Share your observations in the comment below. Thank you.